How's it going, everybody? Here at Show Flooring, we are having our biggest Black Friday sale ever. From now until November 30th, we've got products all across the store at huge discounts. We have prices up to 80% off of retail. Now let's check out what we got. We've got vinyl click starting at 99 cents a square foot. Glue down vinyl starting at 59 cents a square foot. Polished tile starting at 99 cents a square foot. Matte finish tile as low as 49 cents a square foot. Unfinished hardwood starting at 75 cents a square foot. Pre-finished hardwood starting at $1.99 a square foot. Laminate starting at $1.25 a square foot. We've got in-stock carpet as low as 59 cents a square foot. With over 1 million square feet of flooring in stock, we're bound to have something awesome for your project. And if you need help with installation, we can do that too. Just give us a call, message us here on Facebook or YouTube, wherever you're watching this video, and we can come out and give you a free estimate. We have awesome installers. We have tons of 5-star reviews. But if you want to get some of these awesome deals, you got to get here before the Black Friday sale ends on November 30th.